All right, so if you're interested in joining Traiex, you can click the first link in the description or contact the person who invited you to our team Facebook group or shared this video with you, and you can get in for a $50 bonus that we have here, making it 100% risk-free for you to go and test out Traiex trading bot there. So take advantage of that because it's risk-free. There's nothing better than risk-free, right? So let's get going here. We'll do this. We'll figure out today's profitability for my trading bot. And we're going to go over, grab the command here. So there it is right there. And pop that sucker in there. Go back here. Grab this number here, which is my balance that my bot's trading on. And there you go. And then we got to go over here. Got to grab this number up here. So 843412. 8434.12, and that's going to give us our how much did the bot do with the profitability over the last 24 hours. So let's see what it did here. Should be a lower day today. It looks like 0.42%. Yeah, so that's definitely below the average. The average for me at 80/20 earnings is 0.50%. So 80/20, if this is your first video, you start off at 50/50, and then you can buy the tokens, the company tokens, which I'm going to do the analysis on the company token here next. And you can get all the way up to 80/20 for 4,000 tokens, which at the time I think I paid $1,300 or something for the tokens, and the price is about where I bought it. The price is about where I bought it. But I bought it like months and months ago, right? So the token has come down a lot in value, which is awesome because that's what we want, because we want to buy the token really cheap. And then, we're not spending a lot of money to get to 80/20, right? So here's the token right here. And so the analysis today, it's the same as yesterday, guys. Like yesterday we were below this trend line here. Today we're like fighting with the trend line. So tomorrow we could be above that trend line. And then we'd be fighting with this trend line here that this wedge is in and that resistance line up there, right? So it's the same analysis as yesterday. It's a freaking amazing buy. Like, I think ever since back here, I've been saying, like, we're going to get some really good buys in here. So don't think much, not financial advice, just go buy the token, right? So that's the analysis on the token today. Yes, very sweet and simple and short. We'll go over here to the trade history and we'll look at yesterday's trades and see how the bot did there yesterday. So we'll go back to the 20th, which should be on the 4th page or so. So yeah, there's the 20th right there. And that's a winning trade. And this here's a winning trade, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade. And then the next page is a winning trade, winning trade, winning trade. There's a losing trade right there. So what I do is I jot down the losing trades. We start on page number 4. There's one trade on page number 4, and we've got one losing trade now on page number 6. So what is a losing trade? A losing trade is basically, if I just do this, it's the easiest way to show you. Okay, so we take the buy, and then we just minus the sell from the buy. That's going to give us a number, and then you'll see that it's actually cents. It's not even a dollar, guys. It's 23 cents, which is on the higher side of things for the bot actually having a loss, and that's 23 cents on something that's almost $118,000, right? So a losing trade in Traiex is not actually a losing trade because it'd be a fraction of a cent, because this is 118,000. My account's actually trading on about 1,500 because it trades on 30% of your account. It's like a safety thing. And the loss actually comes from the trading fee there, right? So you can see that it's about 62 cents transaction for the buy and the sell, which is pretty good, which is 0.025%, which is, if you go out there and you look around, it's like a really, really low transaction fee. So there you go. The losses are actually break-even trades pretty much, right? So the next page there, we've got another loss, and that's normal to happen. It's like when you have a loss, the trade before is a loss as well, right? So there, and then this guy's a profit. There's a profit, there's a profit, there's a profit. And we go to the next one, or wait a minute. Yeah, that's a profit. Go to the next page. Is a profit, 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 profit. And then the next page, see how many trades it does here, lots of trades. Next page is a profit, profit, profit. There's another loss right there. So there's 3. And then we've got a profit. And then the next page is profit, 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 profit. And then the next page, there should be just a couple more pages here of trades. So yeah, it ends right there, right? The 19th. So this is that's a loss right there. So that's 4 losses. And then this guy here is a profit. And then this is the first trade of that day, which was a profit there. And then we're on the 19th, right? So we've got, here's another thing I like to say is, yes, when you're a trader and you're looking at this, you understand that a trade is an action. So there's 10 trades per page here. But how I have to calculate this, because I'm calculating the loss as in the sell compared to the buy, which gives us a number, you know, is there a loss or not type thing. So I'm actually calculating it with between 2 trades. So how I have to calculate this to figure out the win rate of the trading is I have to take it from 2 trades, right? So this would be like 1, 2, 3 trades instead of 6 trades is how I'm calculating it. So there's 3 trades on page number 11. We've got 3 trades. And as I said, on page number 4, we had 1 trade, right? So now we have to do is count things backwards here. So this is, I don't count this page, I'll count it at the end. So that's 1 page of 5 trades. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this page we can't count. So 5 times 6, there's that 1 trade, okay? So 5 times 6 plus 1, and then the 3 trades on page 11. So there you go. And this is going to give us how many trades it did, which was 34, which is kind of around the lower side of the averages. So it didn't trade as much yesterday as it did the last 2 days there. But we'll grab our command. So it'd be like 34 times 2, which is 68, right? Is how many trades it did, which is on the lower side of things, right? So we'll grab our next command here, which is this guy. We'll put that there. We'll grab this. We'll go like this. And then this guy here is a 4, which is hardly anything for 34 trades. 4 of them are losses. So this is going to be a high. The win rate's pretty good today, 88.24. So that's for yesterday's trades. And then yesterday we did 0.53% was yesterday, right? So that's it for the video today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And also, here's another thing I like to point out is if you go to the spot market and you go to Bitcoin, because my bot's trading on Bitcoin, you can actually see the bot trading. Like all these are buys, and then the yellow, red arrows are sells. So if I was to stay on this page, and there's a lot of videos, about 1 every 3 videos that I do, we actually catch the bot doing a trade live in the video. So yeah, if you're to get your bot, and we have the promotion now where you can actually test it out for 100% risk free, because the deposit amount is you can withdraw it at any time. It's just the cost of the bot is not refundable because of the product. But what we actually do is we pay for your bot. So makes it 100% risk free if you're joining. And here's another thing is you'll have to ask the person who you're interested in getting the bot from. But I only have 31 of the bots left. So after these 31 bots, I cannot offer that $50 bonus, signing bonus, right? Or discount or whatever you want to call it type thing. So yeah, I've only got 31 more spots here to do this. So you might want to take advantage of that and contact the person that shared this video with you and see, if they're going to do this bonus for you type thing. Okay. So let's do a withdrawal here. There's my commission I made last night. So almost $17 now per day. That's pretty good. We'll do a withdrawal of that. And there you go. And go back to the subscription. We'll grab this $30.19. We'll do a withdrawal of this as well. You don't necessarily have to withdraw your profit balance. You could do it like the end of the month if you want to, because it actually earns as well. It's in trading. But I like to just withdraw it just to make this number bigger for every video that we do. So I'll add that $47 to my balance here. And there you go. So that's good. So that's it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in another video tomorrow. If you're interested in joining our Traiex team, see the first link in the video description if you're on YouTube. If you're on our team YouTube channel, you can click the first link in the video description. It'll take you to our Facebook group. and then get back to the person who shared that playlist with you. And hopefully, who knows, maybe they have some bots left and you can get yourself a trading bot there. So that's it. See ya. Bye-bye.